You open your laptop with a plan. Then you check your email. That reminds you of something in Trello, which reminds you of a client over in Notion. Then you check Slack. Then you check your DMs. And before you know it, it's 4 o'clock and you haven't even started the one project you needed to do today. If that's your normal day, I don't think you're the problem. I've been building businesses for over 20 years, and your real problem is your business is creating chaos. And today, I'm going to show you why. So if that sounds good to you, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. You keep telling yourself, I just need to work harder. So you wake up earlier, you stay up later, you buy another productivity app, you watch another YouTube video, maybe you even create another checklist, but nothing changes. Here's the simplest way I can put it. People think they have a productivity problem, but what they actually have is a workflow problem. Have you ever noticed that the harder you work, the busier you become? That's not a coincidence. That's a signal. You don't need a better work ethic, and you certainly don't need to hustle harder. Entrepreneurs are some of the hardest working people I know. So what's actually missing? What's the piece of the productivity puzzle that no one's talking about? Let's take a look. Your first issue is you're drowning in decisions. Every single day, you are making lots of decisions that have nothing to do with the actual work itself. Where do I write this down? Which app is it in? Should it go in Notion or Trello or maybe Google Docs? Should I email the client, text them, send a Slack message? You aren't doing work. You're managing decisions. And here's why that's a problem. Every single decision you make creates friction, and that friction creates overwhelm. Your brain is constantly switching context, and every one of those switches cost you energy. The work itself isn't hard, the switching is.
The second problem is your tools. Tools aren't systems. This is probably the biggest mindset shift in this entire video. Now, don't get me wrong, there are incredible tools out there, and I'm not knocking any of them, but tools don't create order. Systems create order. Owning expensive pots and pans doesn't make you a chef, and owning Notion doesn't organize your business. A system tells every tool exactly what its job is, and without that, every tool just becomes another place to lose information.
Let's talk about what chaos actually steals from you. It steals your time, it steals your focus, it steals your creativity, and it steals your confidence. When your business feels chaotic, everything feels urgent. And when everything seems urgent, nothing is important. That's why you're exhausted, not because you work too much, but because you're always trying to decide what to do next. Decisions are the most expensive thing in your business, and you don't even realize it because you're making them all the time. The third problem is you have no clear workflow. Organized businesses don't necessarily have more apps. They have fewer decisions. Everyone knows where work begins, where it moves, and where it finishes. So let me walk you through my exact YouTube workflow that I use on my channel.
The first thing I do when I get ready to do a video is I do topic and keyword research. I need to know what kind of topics my audience is out there looking for. So if you have any topics you want me to cover, drop them down in the comments. I love feedback. But once I've decided a topic and I've done my keyword research, I create the title and thumbnail because these are the two most important elements of the video. It's what stops your scroll. Then I go into script research. Are there any quotes I need? Do I need any sources? What specifically do I need to cover? And then I script the video out. It's not a complete script. It's usually a rough outline so that I can talk as I go, but I need a good outline for how the video is going to flow. Then I prep for filming. I don't just sit down to film, I look through and see what I need for the video. Because if you have to stop filming every 5 minutes to go get a prop or to get the next thing you need or to create a slide deck like this one, it's wasting your time. Once all that's done, I film the video. By the way, if you want this exact workflow, I will link it down in the description, completely free. Go ahead and grab it. After that, I send it to my editor or I edit the video. After I edit it, I need to create a description to go on YouTube and I need to upload it to YouTube or Buzzsprout. If my editor, Lisa, is doing it, she does these steps for me. So once all of this is done, I need to create a pinned comment. I need to have a community tab post. I need to write an email to my list and get it scheduled. I need to create an Instagram story that's going to go up, and I need to post to LinkedIn. I follow this exact workflow every single time. It's printed out. It's on the bookshelf next to my desk so that I see it.
Nothing gets lost, nothing gets duplicated, nothing sits in 5 different places. That's the difference. Not more tools, not more discipline, a clear path that removes the decision entirely. Your business doesn't feel chaotic because you have too much work. It feels chaotic because your work doesn't have a home. By giving each task a home that is systemized and clearly documented, your business starts to run much more smoothly and you start to win your time back. If you want to learn more about how to incorporate systems into your business, make sure you check out this video. And until next time, peace out.